Today is November 10th, Sunday. Um, I had a tummy tuck and a fat transfer to my breast on Wednesday, November 6th. Let me just say, the best surgeon, Dr.Steven, Rueda, Wellington, Florida. No general anesthesia, IV sedation, and local anesthesia, I believe. Wasn't put to sleep. And my recovery has been really good. Haven't been in excruciating pain, as I've seen videos on YouTube with the women who do general anesthesia. Yeah, I can say my pain level probably like 1 to 2 for the last few days. And it's not, I wouldn't say pain, it's just discomfort from the incision. But other than that, yeah, that's the only thing really kept me from years of getting a tummy tuck. I didn't want to be put to sleep based on a prior surgery and the trauma from that surgery, what happened. I didn't want to be put under general anesthesia. But when I say my surgeon's the truth, he's the truth. I'm so happy that I chose him. And yeah, this is recovery day. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Recovery day 4. And I may get my drains out by Tuesday. Because this is currently what I have in my drains now. So I talked to my nurse earlier, Natalie, which she's the bomb. If you come to Wellington, Florida, and you have Dr. Steven Rueda do your surgery, please request Natalie as your private nurse. When I tell you she's the sweetest, goes above and beyond, yeah, I'm going to miss her so much. She's helped me so much through my recovery. And I've actually paid her for additional hours to help me out with showering and changing into my faja until I actually leave and go home. But it's definitely worth it. You do get the 4 days, 6 hours of nursing care in your package with him, as well as 4 lymphatic massages that is included in his packaging. But if you come by yourself and you need the additional help and support of nursing care, request Natalie. Request Natalie. I want to take her home with me. If I could, I would. But yeah, she's been a big help with my recovery process. Yeah. But this is something I just want to document for myself and have. I may share it, I may not share it, but yeah, just for the record. Something I can look back on.